Section 6. Successful marketing campaigns on Twitter. In this lecture, we will cover 5 successful marketing campaigns on Twitter. They were done by the companies as follows: American Airlines, UNICEF India, USA for UNHCR, McDonald's Canada, and App Bakar. American Airlines. In celebration of the 30th anniversary of its A-Advantage loyalty program, American Airlines ran a Twitter contest called Tweet to Win 30k miles. The Twitter contest was a smaller portion of a larger campaign called Deal 30, which involved 30 partner deals and promotions over 30 weekdays. The A-Advantage team created a microsite that promoted a new daily partner deal or promotion. The Twitter contest occurred on the 4th day of the promotion. Participants had to register their A-Advantage number on a microsite, tweet the deal #Deal30, and follow the @A-Advantage account to enter for a chance to win 30,000 A-Advantage miles. Within 1 week, the microsite's bit.ly link gained nearly 18,000 clicks via Twitter, and the @A-Advantage Twitter account experienced a 70% increase in followers, and overall, retweets on Twitter increased 43%, and the Deal30 microsite gained more than 27,000 entries. UNICEF India. UNICEF India enlisted a social media agency to manage a 3-month social media campaign to promote UNICEF's Awaaz Do, which means Lend Your Voice in Hindi initiative, an effort to send 8 million unschooled Indian children back to education. The thrust of the campaign lay in targeting influential personas and celebrities on Twitter. A retweet or a mention by them proved crucial for the outreach program and to get the word out about the campaign. During the 3-month campaign, the #AwaazDo received 1,525 mentions, and the @UNICEF India Twitter account gained approximately 2,100 followers. The campaign itself received 60,540 impressions on Twitter during the time period. By the end of the campaign, the Awaaz Do website gathered 203,248 sign-ups of people interested in joining the movement to help get India's children back to school. USA for UNHCR. For World Refugee Day, USA for UNHCR held a tweetathon as part of its overall campaign, which asked Americans to purchase a symbolic $5 blue key pin or pendant to show their support for refugees worldwide and the 6,000 UNHCR staffers who work 24/7 to assist them. The tweetathon took place 7 days before World Refugee Day, and it featured a number of social savvy blue key champions tweeting via their personal Twitter accounts for at least 1 hour each, while supporting tweets originating from the original UN Refugee Agency Twitter handle. On the day of the tweetathon, 1,524 tweets used the #BlueKey, which is a significant increase over the daily average of 50 that occurred during the rest of the campaign. Traffic to the BlueKey website also increased 169% over the previous high point. Furthermore, more than 50% of key purchases for that week were a result of the tweetathon. McDonald's Canada. McDonald's Canada enlisted an agency to launch a geo-targeted promoted account campaign for themselves, which was the first brand in Canada to execute such a campaign. The goal was to leverage promoted accounts to increase the following. Average new followers by us using a suggested follow that targeted Twitter users via specified keywords and hashtags. While the client declined to share specific keywords used, citing the competitive nature of how McDonald's Canada gains followers using promoted accounts, it was quite pleased with the results, noting that the use of diverse keywords and hashtags enabled the company to reach viewers of many demographics with many different interests. With a total budget of $15,000, McDonald's Canada gained 9,503 new followers over the course of the campaign. The campaign also drew in 14,200 profile views and resulted in a 4% over engagement rate, which includes retweets, replies, favourites and clicks. This engagement rate is quite high when one considers that advertising click-through rates are generally sub-zero percentages. App Backer. App marketplace App Backer began using promoted tweets to promote the LSAT Max app that was on its way, funding its next iteration via the App Backer platform. The app was directed to people studying for the LSAT, so a 20 to 26 age group roughly. They stressed that creating a targeted campaign on Twitter instead of targeting a wider audience gave App Backer the most bang for its buck. In 6 weeks, App Backer increased its follower count by 140% and increased traffic to its site from Twitter by 94%. Furthermore, traffic from Twitter as a percentage of App Backer's total site traffic rose from 2.6% to 4.4%. And of its Twitter traffic, the percentage of new visits rose from 51% to 65%.